Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're gearing up for a .NET interview, mastering the fundamentals is crucial. Today we're diving into function overloading and its essential rules. This is your chance to impress your interviewer and stand out as a smart coder. Remember, .NET is vast, and you can't cover everything in one book. We've curated a list of 4 must-read books to help you tackle common interview topics. Check the description for links to those resources. And don't forget, being prepared for front-end and Azure questions is key too. So explore those links and boost your chances of landing that dream job. Before we jump into the questions, I want to hear from you. What interview topic makes you the most nervous? Drop a comment below and let me know. If this video helps you, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Now let's get into function overloading. Function overloading in C lets a class have multiple methods with the same name but different signatures. The compiler decides which method to call based on the arguments you provide. Let's talk about the important rules of method overloading in C. First up, the signature must be unique. This is the essential rule. For methods to be overloaded, they need the same name but different signatures. The signature includes the method name and the parameter list. You can change the number of parameters, their data types, or their order. Second, but remember the return type doesn't count towards the signature. The compiler does not consider the return type when determining uniqueness. You can't overload just by changing the return type. Third, access modifiers also don't affect the method signature, so switching from public to private won't help you overload. Fourth, however, parameter modifiers like ref, out, and in do matter. They are part of the signature and can help create unique overloads. Fifth, optional arguments and methods can be tricky, especially when it comes to overloading. You can still overload methods with optional arguments, but it can lead to confusion. If calls look identical after omitting optional arguments, the compiler might choose the method with fewer parameters. This is where things can get a bit messy, so it's best to avoid such overloads altogether. Sixth, now let's talk about type inference and finding the best match. When you call an overloaded method, the C# compiler first looks for an exact match. If it can't find one, it checks for overloads where arguments can be implicitly converted. But beware, if there are multiple potential matches after conversion, you'll hit a compile time ambiguity error too. This means you'll need to cast your arguments to clear up the confusion.